Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making penne with cauliflower and anchovies and breadcrumbs. Start toasting the breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Here I have the breadcrumbs. And you just stir this until they're nice and golden. Here I have the water, it's boiling. Here I have the cauliflower, florets, which I washed it, cut them up. Just a small head of cauliflower. On low heat, you just stir it until it's nice and golden. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside now. And I will just put the water here. It's boiling. First I'll add some salt. Now I have the pasta. And these are the penne. Stir the pasta. So the pasta takes about 9 minutes. And here I have a little pot that I'm gonna put some oil, some olive oil, because I'm gonna add anchovies in here. So it's all, done all together, okay? Let me stir the pasta. Now I'm gonna add the cauliflower, which they've been washed. They're like little florets. Okay, and we'll stir. Until it comes to a boil again. Okay, the pasta, it's almost ready. Looks so good. The cauliflower cooked. The pasta looks al dente. That's how we like it. Drain the pasta here in this pot. So I'm gonna add the anchovies in the oil. And kind of shake it. And you pour over, kind of stir it. Now you get some of the breadcrumbs and you put it on top. And you can serve this individual in the plates. You can just put as much as you want. They look nice. I can hardly wait to dig in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.